The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Stop the vehicle! Stop the vehicle! Stop the vehicle!
Yo, go to them.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I just showed you a few pieces of videos put together that shows of a police officer trying to use his body to try and block a vehicle. And based on the license plate, what I see on the vehicle, it seems to be a taxi, you see me? And whosoever is driving that taxi, it don't seems as if they have any intention of stopping. You get what I'm saying to you? What could have really caused something like this to have happened? To see a taxi or a vehicle drive off with a police on top of the vehicle. Like, what could have caused this? Viewers and subscribers, only one thing we can really and truly say, don't do something like this, right? Do not do anything like this. Yes, what I'm saying to you, because at the end of the day, something like this can make you end up in a lot of trouble. Yes, what I'm saying to you. So I wish nothing but the best for everyone, but I'm just telling you, this is my opinion and my advice to anyone out there, Don't do anything like this. Trust me, alright? From the police officer to the man that is driving the vehicle, I'm saying don't do something like this. Don't stand in front of a vehicle, right? And for the person driving the vehicle, don't disobey the law. You get what I'm saying to you? If a police officer asks you to stop, stop. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, there's more than one video that is out on social media about this incident that had happened between the police and the person that is driving the vehicle, with the police on top of the vehicle, And based on what has been said in one of the videos, it would seem as if this had happened in Maypen, Clarendon. Alright, that is Maypen in the parish of Clarendon, that is of Jamaica. Alright. A lot of things have been said on social media about this that had happened, and that's why I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. And you can also tell me what you think, alright? I don't know me Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?